Rambo, if the train tickets are so expensive, how do the local people pay this? Well, I did see on their website that you can book tickets in advance and pay for them in installment payments. We have PayPal, Klarna back in England. Here you can pay for them in installment payments, because that's expensive for the local person in
Indonesia.
Okay. We paying for. My bag just got stuck. Oh my god.
Oh wow. See his reaction, he's shocked. Oh, like this. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at this, guys.
Wow, it is so beautiful.
Oh my
god.
Look at this.
So beautiful. Look like a ship. Wow. Yes.
I'm a little bit surprised
Really beautiful
so far, but I reckon
Okay, now
the views are
inshallah
going to
we
be
will meet in
amazing
next
once we
video.
get
Till then, Allah
going.
Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.
Now
Thanks
let's
for
see.
watching.